Hi there, welcome to this channel. Now, ChatGPT has over 400 million users every week, but only a small number of those actually pay for ChatGPT Plus. It costs around $20, £16 a month. So the big question is it really worth paying for? I've been paying for it for the past 6 months. This is what I think. In this video, I'm going to quickly break down the 5 main benefits of ChatGPT Plus and the 3 main downsides actually of the free version as well. So you can decide what's best for you. So this is what you get with ChatGPT Plus. The first main thing is a deep research mode. Now, this is one of the most powerful tools. You can ask ChatGPT to research a topic across the web, and it'll build you a full report with proper sources. It's almost like having your own research assistant that finishes in minutes. The second really good feature is the advanced voice mode. This lets you actually talk with ChatGPT in real time. It understands your tone, your pace, even your emotion as well. The other thing it can do, it can also let you share your screen. The free version, it only gives you like a small daily preview of this, but the Plus version will give you full access. And the third most obvious point is the higher limits and the faster access. So if you've seen the message ChatGPT is full right now, you know how annoying that is. You can't really do anything at the current time. But with Plus, that almost never happens. You get priority access, much higher usage limits, which really helps if you use ChatGPT a lot for work, for study or creativity. And the fourth reason that I want to bring to you is the creative tools, the better creative tools that is involved. If you enjoy, making images, testing video features, this is where Plus really shines. You can even try early video tools like Sora when they're available. And the fifth and final reason, the early access to new features. So whenever OpenAI adds something new, Plus users get it first. So if you like trying the newest models and the updates, this is a big perk. Now, one of the big reasons why I did go to Plus is because of the attach file feature. So I'm going to speak in my perspective when I'm editing podcasts. So that's one of my things that I do. And all you have to do is to download a transcript of the podcast, attach it as a text file. ChatGPT will then analyze all of that and will kind of just give you a description straight away. You can upload spreadsheets, you can compare different spreadsheets, you can combine documents, you can create PDFs and so on. So the attach file feature is very, very useful in Plus mode if you're wanting to do a bit more complicated stuff than just ask it to, write you a sentence or write you a paragraph. You can actually attach your files and make ChatGPT do all of that work. So if you're currently on the free version, this is kind of where you're stuck. This is what is missing. The limited use, of course, you only get a certain number of messages and features each day. That's fine for quick tasks, but not great for bigger projects or for research if you're finding that you're using ChatGPT a lot more than usual, really. The second thing is you do get fewer images and voice chats, so you can test them, but only you can do a little each day. So if you want to use them regularly, then the free plan can feel pretty much restricted in that sense of things. The third reason is the better free tools. It may actually suit you because, if you only need one thing, like maybe quick translations, you want writing help or summaries, it's going to be perfect for that kind of thing. Well, this is where I think you should get ChatGPT Plus if you use it every day for work. Use it for study, use it for creative projects. If you hate waiting when it's too busy, or you often hit your limits, or need some deep research or image tools, this is a reason why to stay on the free plan. Because if you only use it a few times a day, you just need quick answers, summaries, you want maybe a reply to an email, you don't mind waiting when it's full, then you should probably just stay on the free plan. The Plus plan probably isn't going to benefit you too much. Let me know what you decide. Do you think Plus is worth that extra $20? Or let me know if you're just going to stay on the free plan. I would love you to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button if it has helped you in any way, and don't forget to stick around. I'll see you in the next video when we explain AI simply.